Now what I'm gonna do with the other ones is I'm gonna like layer this brown sugar all over it. I want to say thank you to everyone. The response on the video of me and Cameron just working out has been kind of cool. Very fun. Thank you everyone who support. Another Dale Jr. Found another one at the same thrift store in Lansing, weeks apart. Glitch in the Matrix, boys. Yo, so that happened fast, but it looks like it's burned, but nah, dude, that's just crystallized brown sugar on top of that, and I got too much bacon. I mean, you know what, dude? No such thing. No such thing as too much bacon. Alright, so we got an English muffin, bacon, got the runny egg on it, pepper jack cheese on top, fake sriracha. That is just precious. Oh my goodness, just look at that absolute perfect specimen. So yummy. Back like I never left. Ooh, that. Damn, y'all. Say rip. It's the end of a good era. Like, it's like broke for, it's like end of an era, boys. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. I gotta go get my wallet because I left it at Cody's last night after he got out of the car. One lucky strike. Let's go! Okay, I'm drugged out of your function with my gun out. She see I'm up now, all these bitches wanna fuck now. Hey, I got dumb clout, I ain't flexing, but I'm up now. Got more chains than a slave ship. They say I'm brainless out in public with my stainless. Man, I feel gross, bro. I ate like 8 strips of bacon, 8 candied bacon, some 8 strips of bacon got me leaning obtuse. Man, I came out here and I shook my Lucky Strikes pack with 1 cigarette in there, dude.
Oh, I fucking love this shit.
It's a good feeling.
I did the other day with the Marlboro Light. I just found 1 Marlboro Light in the crack in the seat, and I was like,
ooh, a little present from the past.
Present from the past.
Especially Thaddeus. My Vanna White.
I'm not sure what that means.
No, hey, Uncle Fortune, right?
Oh, yeah.
So the white Russian and black Russian. It's a Caucasian.
I don't think anybody's home.
No one's home. Probably, I don't know why you would. People are weird. Some people are weird.
It's true. They're weird. They just never says anything.
Yeah, and you know what? That's okay. Because if you never say anything, then you never had a problem with it. If you have a problem with something, you don't say nothing, then you must not really have that much of a problem with it.
It's an aircraft.
Must be more starving, Marvin.
I'm gonna go take a peanut butter jelly and a grilled cheese and put them together.
All the nachos stuck together is one nacho.
That's just one nacho.
So I got to Thad's and he was not home, and as you can see, Cody is gone. You know what we are gonna go do? We're gonna go get this mug and drink espresso. Thank you, Uncle Gene. The stand and donations. Pay what you can. If you can't, don't worry. Well, I got $1. My retards put $1 in the thing. This zucchini looks great. And this squash looks good. So I got a zucchini, got a squash. Here you go, thumbnail real quick. Makes me feel inadequate, but that's cool. $2. I'm tired now. I'm trying to psych myself up. Let's see what we can do to change my mood. What's up? Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. 200 or 300 views in I mean, just most people I know that drink just drink because they want to get drunk. It's cool to listen to someone talk about booze, passionate about it. Like that's just very cool. Oh, he's getting money, 668K. That's cool, man. Good for him. If you can do what you like and you're passionate about it, and you can make money doing it. That's just so cool. Here we go. You ever just pee with your butt cheeks out? Do a little something, something. I'm gonna go make me a Scooby-Doo sandwich. Alright, bacon, lettuce, salami, mayo, and mustard. Pepper jack, American processed cheese, onions. Oh, who said we ain't bringing the boom out here? Who said we ain't bringing the boom out here? We got the bacon with the salami, with the pepper jack, with the mayo. So good. Shaggy would be so happy.
Daily gotta go, girl. The sky seems like it's falling. Without you, that's why I'm calling. You never pick up the phone, so I'm holding on to my phone.
Doing a bunch of
Call
Nelson
me
today.
back in the morning, won't answer because I'm yawning.
Hear me out.
Hopefully one day be touring. That money coming is
not,
pouring. Like
y'all
when
do
it
that.
rain down
Love
in
you.
Florida, or when the liquor starts flowing. That's when the tears start to fall, and I'm sick and tired of the heartache. I wish I had no emotion. Sometimes say fuck your feelings, but really I feel like choking from my anxiety.
Baby, call me crazy, cause I'm stuck up in